Here's a step-by-step walkthrough of Qyrus Test Orchestration. Test Orchestration is a next-generation testing module from Qyrus that helps enable the seamless execution of end-to-end business process test scenarios across various environments: web, mobile, API, and desktop. Let's see it in action. First, sign into the Qyrus platform. Click on Services. Click on Test Orchestration. In Test Orchestration, users are able to build out complex workflows to test their application's functionality. To kick off, click on Workflow to create a new test. Provide a name, description, and any tags you want to identify the workflow with. Click on the element. Click on Create Workflow to wrap up. Users can find any script in their team's subscribed services and use them to build out the workflow. Drag and drop the scripts to the canvas on the right. Now the first script of the workflow is added. Now we'll add another script. Click on Mobile Testing. Search for your intended test script. To connect nodes, drag and drop a line from one to the next. The exchange of data can also be handled in these workflows. Data can flow downstream. To view output data from a specific script, click here. We can connect the output to an input from other scripts. To add an input, click the plus button. Select the step which you want to have data inserted into. Then click on Save. Click the arrow to open the Inputs dropdown. We can add API scripts too. Click on API Testing. We've added 2 API scripts. Now we'll see how branching works. This is a branch hub. Here we can set up rules or conditions to be met for the workflow to branch one way or the other. Advanced actions can be found in this menu. A user can add a retry or stop node and add that to conditions on a branch up. A wait can be configured. Users can have emails sent to them at certain points of the workflow and can leave comments. Here we save the workflow. Configure your workflow's run configuration here. Click on New Configuration. Select a browser for your web scripts to execute on. Select a device for your mobile scripts to execute on. Provide app details for the mobile scripts to execute on. Afterwards, click on Create New Configuration. Here's an example workflow of an e-commerce application where we are completing a checkout flow. Click here to have AI summarize the workflow to users. It will give an explanation of the flow, what each script does, and any data exchanging happening. Now let's check out a report. View execution details at the top. Execution result, time, and environment details can be found here. Collapse that info by clicking here. Click on each individual node to view the node's detailed report. View step-by-step information, pass-fail status, and accompanying screenshot. Click here to exit screenshots. Video evidence is also provided. Following that, click here. The same report info and data is given for mobile scripts. View the API test report here as well. Enjoyed the guided demo? To learn more about our features and benefits, visit www.qyrus.com.